Set the cable machine to elbow height and attach a single handle. Stand perpendicular to the cable machine, feet hip width apart, and grab the handle with the hand closest to the machine. Bend your elbow to a 90-degree angle, keeping it tucked into your side, with your forearm perpendicular to your body. There should be tension in the cable. This is your starting position. Engage your core and maintain a slight bend in your knees for stability. Slowly rotate your forearm inward towards your body while keeping your elbow tucked into your side. Continue rotating your arm until your forearm is against your abdomen or as far as your mobility allows. Pause for a moment at the end of the rotation, then slowly return to the starting position. Perform for the prescribed number of reps or duration of time, then switch sides and repeat the sequence. Cable shoulder internal rotations are excellent for targeting the rotator cuff muscles, specifically the subscapularis. This exercise helps to improve shoulder stability, enhance internal rotation strength, and support overall shoulder health. Regular practice can aid in injury prevention and contribute to better functional movement in the shoulders. As always, we do not want to push past any pain, and remember to